Hello everyone, it's me ASM Arif welcoming you to my new Photoshop tutorials, and today I'll show you this type of creative design, how to do that, and I'll provide you the PSD file in my video detail. Stay at home and work from home and don't go outside. Stay safe from the COVID-19, and let's start the tutorial. If you are new in my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for the new notifications. At first, go to the file here in a Photoshop, go to the file and take a new. I'll take a canvas which is 3000 by 3000 and resolution 200 and hit the create button. After that you will get a square shape, and then go to the file and place embedded option. Insert the photo which I downloaded from the pixels.com and place it out. And after that I'll make it like this, a little bit bigger like this. That's good, and hit the tick button. After that I'll take a background which is the black background. How to take that? And before that you have to make it restylize the layer, right press and convert to smart object. After that go to the adjustment layer and go to the solid color and pick the color from here. Before that you have to take it in a background, double click over here, select the color from this and hit the OK button. After that select the female character and just mask it out. B from the keyboard, you'll get the brush and take the first brush which is the general brush and just mask over here. It will give you a look like this. So that's good, that's fine. And then here you are getting some shapes and other stuffs. Those are brushes and the fonts. I'll provide you that brushes download link in my video description as well. Write down something and I'll draw a circle. Go to the ellipse tool and draw a circle by pressing shift and hold it out and making these things. Press V from the keyboard and then just go to the blending options. From here go to the gradient overlay and select the gradient color from here, and the color, the another tone is like that 0216C, and the another pole color which is 00A8FF and hit the OK button and hit OK. So you're getting like this, and down the opacity a little bit and press V, press Ctrl or Command J and press Ctrl or Command T. Make it smaller size by pressing and hold the shift key and making like that, and again Ctrl or Command J, another copy of this layer and make it smaller a little bit. That's good, and hit the tick button. That's fine. And now write down something innocent or write that. Here go to the text tool or T from the keyboard and make it bigger like this, and write down innocent and press Ctrl or Command T, press the shift button and rotate this one and place over here. You can make it smaller like this. That's good. And I'll provide you the font download link in my video description, so don't worry about that. Press another copy of this text, press Ctrl or Command J and press Ctrl or Command T. Make it bigger by pressing like this. So this thing is like that, and make the opacity only 20% or 10%, 15% is good. Press Ctrl or Command J again and another copy, make this one and just place over here. You're getting these things that is I used over here. And now write down something a little bit over here like this and like this. So how to write it down? Here go to the text tool and take a text which is the Arial or a normal font which is good for this, and make the size which is 8 or yeah, that's good, and write down something. Suppose I'm just writing down the name of the, so I'm written something over here, and you can make it a little bit bigger size like this. That's good, and make the like 200 is good, and press Ctrl or Command J, press the Alt button or Ctrl or Command J, and you can make like that, and giving the name one specialist. That's good, and make the like alignment which is like this. That's good. press Ctrl or Command G and make this one in this place. After that, I'll make copy by pressing Ctrl or Command J, and I'll take these things and I'll keep in this bottom side and select these two right up and making the alignment like this, the right alignment. And after that, I'll take these things over here and edit that things. So I just written over there like that. Now I have the work to add some brushes and other stuff, so I just made these things, press Ctrl or Command T and making it like that, and over here. That's good. And now I'll add the brushes and other stuffs. Let's make a group and sort it out. So I'm just giving the name, the text, taking a new layer. After that, go to the brush tool here, and I'll provide you the brush which I downloaded, and I'll provide you that brush download link here. You can make the size smaller by pressing third bracket opening and closing. So here, if I make it like that, that's good. And make the color, that is the white color, and just place once, you'll get like that. And here as well, you can make it smaller by pressing third bracket opening and closing. In this panel you are getting like that. So all the brushes are here. I'll provide you the brushes in my video detail, and just make it like this. So take another blank layer when you are using the different types of brushes. It will help you out to make the opacity up or down or control it out. That's good. So hope that you learn a lot from this video. If you did, please thumbs up and share with your friend. And if you have any kind of question, query, request, please do comment on my video comment section, and go to the video detail for the stock images and the file as well. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching my video tutorial. Until the next video, I am ASM Arif signing out today. Bye bye.